Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. Israel, today is what? Sunday, August 15th, 2021. It's time for your weekly COVID-19 vaccine report and as an added bonus, your daily COVID-19 analysis report. So let's begin with the rollout first, the vaccine report. Okay, you can see here is where you currently have administered 12.06 million doses. Of those doses, 5.8 million have received the full treatment, and 5.4 million have received one dose. I'm sorry, 5.8 million have received a single dosage, and 5.4 million have received the full treatment. So what this means is in Israel, 67% of people have received a single shot, and 62% of people have received the full treatment. You can see you had a flattening here, total cases, but now it's starting to climb back up. Now, one point to keep in mind is, at least about the vaccines used in America, those vaccines in America are designed to reduce the chance that you'll die from COVID-19, not necessarily to prevent you from getting COVID-19. So cases in theory can continue to increase even as deaths can decrease or remain flat, okay? But of course, there's still 40% of the population who hasn't received a single dose yet, okay? Anyway, you can see over here, I wonder if the ultra-Orthodox Jews get vaccinated or not. Okay, and you can see here deaths flattened out. Now they're starting to trend back up a little bit. Okay, so let's now move on quickly, if we can, to our daily report. Okay, let's come back up here and take a look at some numbers. You can see this has always been a concern. You spiked at 7,500 cases for a single day back on August 11th. That then dropped back down to 5,622. For the 7-day period ending August the 11th, you were averaging 14,280 cases per day. And you can see they are seeing a bit of a spike back up here in deaths, but still below 25 deaths per day, with August the 14th reporting 11 deaths. And on August 11th, also for the 7-day period ending August 11th, you were averaging 12.4 deaths per day. Okay, you can see what 6 or 7 week increase in COVID-19 cases. This is a concern, but remember, these numbers can continue to go up, even if deaths can remain lower, right? Because the vaccine doesn't keep you from getting COVID-19. And you can see the last 2 weeks we've seen a spike in COVID-19 cases, up to about 75 for last week. You can see we also saw a spike the previous 2 months in cases. But so far, well, this is not great. I mean, this is 250 deaths. This is maybe 100. This is maybe 125 deaths. But still, the deaths are still lower than these numbers all the way over to here. Okay. There's also the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh month in a row when your COVID-19 deaths have been below this peak back up here. So that's probably the best news. Well, the best news is that your deaths are not declining. And of course, the other point is it's really hard to keep those deaths at the 0 to very low levels because it only takes a couple deaths to produce a spike at your low level, okay? But anyway, thanks so much for your time today, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report. Of course, don't forget to click that subscribe button Don't forget to click the like button. And most important of all, don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. And also don't forget to click on that share button and copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks again, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an update report.